ako ngayong gabi. Sabay natin palitawin mga pati.
Pala bukas. Hello.
Halika muna't magpahinga.
Antok ako. Sorry, di ako nakapag-live kanina.
Ganito to.
Kasi
Katapos ng isang
nga di ba parang nag-booth siya. So parang naisip ko, wag na lang muna mag-live. Mag-live na lang ako pag uwi. Yan. Buti nakapag-live ako umuwi kasi maaga ako natapos kanina. Na-sold out kasi ako eh. Sold out ako kanina.
Magulo sa isipan natin mo na isang tabi. Gumawa ng
Ay, tatry ako.
masarap na balikan. Pahiram ng orasan. Pwedeng akin
Na-sold out yung binibenta ko. Hi, Virgo!
ko lang ng ikaw. Ayoko munang mag-isa
Gusto ko matry yung microbanks. Bagay kaya sa akin. Pero, good evening.
ako ngayong gabi.
Oo, na-sold out ako agad.
Tawin mga
Saglit lang siya. Ako yung unang natapos sa lahat ng boot doon.
halika muna.
Kasi onti lang din yung dala ko eh. Eh, hindi na ako makakapag-ulit doon. Hi, Raigen. Kasi,
Kalimutan mga
medyo matrabaho gumawa ng chewy cookie, guys. Kaya parang sabi ko, di ko kaya gumawa bukas. Parang, tsaka ano din, may gagawin yung tita ko.
ikaw lang ang bitamina sa
Good evening. Ay,
isip ko na hindi ko mapunto.
ano siya gagawin siya kaya.
Puno ka na
Punta rin
ng
ako.
problema. Hindi mo pa kasama yung nagbibigay ligaya. Kaya sana ako'y
Ay, thank you so much. Paldo ka na. Di naman.
Ako lumayag patungo sa
What year?
saan. Sabay natin nabalikan masasayang nakaraan. Kung pwede lang
Ay, Papa J.
isang buwan. Huwag ka sana magsasawang ako'y pakinggan. Pangako ko nandito lang ako sa'yo.
Ano ba dapat tong buhok na to? Parang lalong gumulo.
Hinihingi
Paano ko kaya? Palihis.
kasi
Dapat palihis. Hi, Nori! Kamusta?
kailangan ko lang
Kita ko parang nag-live ka ata kanina. Tama ba?
isa.
Or mali ako nang nakita?
Ka muna. Samahan mo naman ako ngayong gabi. Sabay natin palit.
Dumaan lang. Nagtatampo. Ba't ka nagtatampo? Bakit ako magagalit?
Halika muna.
Bakit nagagalit si Nori?
Samahan mo
Galit ka sa akin?
ngayong gabi.
Hi, Sir J.
Mga ngiti. Kalimutan mga problema.
Halika muna at magpahinga.
Samahan mo naman ako ngayong gabi. Sabay natin palitawin mga
Hi, Sir J.
limutan.
Bakit? Lagi na lang may galit.
Samahan mo naman ako ngayong
Ayoko nga magalit kayo sa akin kaya nag-live ako.
ngiti.
Kasi baka magalit kayo. Sabi ni Red, magla-live siya today. O, Nori, sabihin mo daw bakit. Bakit ba? Hi, Eljan. Hello. Gusto ko magpaano dito. Padami dito. Gusto ko magpaano. Ers. Hi, Shiori. Thank you so much. Hi, Boy Beats. Boy Beats, hello. Di naman ako kakanta. Mag-chichismisan na tayo. May natong live na to. Nag-isang muli. Sabi mo, bakit gagalit kay... Bakit may mga nagagalit? Makikita nyo nagla-live niya, mga nagla-live. Hindi lang yan pumapasok. Sino? Ako? Ako ba? Try ko maglagay ng blush na. Cool. Ako. Nakita ko nga kanina nag-live si Nori. Busy pa ako kanina kaya hindi na ako nakapasok. Kahit mo pa rin sa piling ko, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. labas yan, nanonood yan, pumapasok. Hi, Gab.
Parang kailan nang tayo'y nagtatuwa.
Thank you, Gab. Sana all pinipili. Saan ang gagaling yung mga yan? Hello. Pao ko Dotson. Hello. Hi, Primrose. Kamusta ka na? Hello. Pinili saan? Midnight ka? Ako alam mo gusto ko yan, midnight. Hi, this is Kevin. How are you? Hello, Madge. Ay! Hey, Ayan. Insan ko yan, si Ayan.
Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
Hi, Gamer Zone. Hi, Maki Asta. Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin. Ikaw ang pipiliin.
Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin. Ikaw ang
Pipiliin ko.
ngunit kahit saan ka mapagpal.
Kahit ilang taon ang lumipas,
Kahit ika'y mapalayo sa
Saan?
piling,
para sa akin ba yung song? Pwede naman.
ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
Hi, Riri. Hi, Boy Beats. Thank you for sharing. Pag kaya naglagay ako ng lip gloss without any lipstick. Lip ano lang, lip tint lang yan eh.
Ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin.
Payat ko, no? Lately, hindi ako makakain talaga. Pero wala akong gana. Tawagin na si Star. Nasa na ba si Star para ganahan naman ako mag-live? Hindi ako makakain. Kanina nga hindi ako hindi ako nakapag... yung isa kong rice kalahati lang yung nakain ko.
Iyong ngiti man na
Wow, lip gloss, lipstick or siya.
at kung
Wow, grabe makiasta. Thank you
lumbay sa
Ako pala Oshi mo ha.
kayang kalungkutan.
Hello, Yoel. Oh, bigas na ako. Tingnan mo, parang ako magiging hangin.
Di maialay
DJ.
pati ang
Bakit nyo binabanggit yung pangalan na yan?
mapapam. Ngunit
Pangalan na yan talaga. Ganun ako pagka naririnig ko siya. Ay, naka! Tarat. Hi, Jessie Walt. Ay, red na lang ako. Oh, really? Charat. Nandito ata players mo, red. May scream kami eh. Anong scream?
minsan hindi.
Di bagay, bro.
Minsan tama, minsan
Wow.
mali.
Ay, love you. Kayla ako, mamimiss kita.
Maapan
Oh, really?
matras.
Kilos mong namimintas.
Kung tunay nga
Ice cream.
ang pag-ibig mo, kaya mo bang isigaw, iparating sa mundo? Tumingin sa aking mata,
Sa'yo lang ang puso ko. Hi Sky Noctis, nagbabalik yung pangalan mo ah. Sa'yo yung pangalan nitong song na to. Maganda tong version na to. Walang ibang tatanggapin, ikaw at ikaw pa rin. May gulo ba sa'yong isipan? Dito masanara. Anong gusto niyong kantahin ko na Eminal 48 song? Ang pag-ibig mo. Si Ebe Dancel ba yun? Tama ba? Oh, Ebe Dancel. Sa aking mata. Anong good news? Magtapat ng nagdarama. Di gusto ika'y mawala. Dahil handa akong ibigin ka. Kung naging tayo. Kailangan ba kitang iwasan? Magpapapol ako. Ano, bingo? 1 minute lang. Ibang anyo sa karamihan. Hello. Wait lang ah. Iba rin pag tayo. Ay, ganito to. Bingo, PFC, tsaka bingi tuloy. Bingo, PFC, oh my pumpkin. Sige. OMP. Ayan. Oh, paano na to? Bro. Ayan. Ayan. Kailangan ng coins. Teka, gusto ko yung walang coins. Sa'yo lang ang puso ko. Sapa? Hindi gift boat, custom lang. Bakit may sumisigaw-sigaw? Wait. Ayan, game. Ayan. Okay. Ayan lang ha. Yung hindi may, bayad. Papatugtugin ko lang siya dito. Ayun. May nagwawala dito. Ano yung good news? Teka, sorry kasi kanina nag-aano ko eh. Good news. Wait lang. Anong good news? Teka. Si Pawi may work na para may pang-gift daw siya sa'yo. Ah! Grabe! Hindi sasayangin ang oras at pag-ibig mo. Mas pipiliin ko. Oy, pantay ang bingo tsaka OMP. Isa pa. Halika't sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin. Sige. Walang birit version ha. Saksi ang langit sa atin. Okay, bingo daw. Okay, wait. Anong gamit kong camera? Android lang po. Pawi. Hi, Rishin. Tingnan natin ha. May kasabay ha? Or wala? Tingnan natin kung nasa mood yung boses ko.
lang di ko alam bakit mula nang ika'y namasdan parang kitla't biglang tinamaan. Ikaw na nga ba ang hinahanap? Bakit ikaw ang natagpuan? Di ko maintindihan, ba't tinamaan? Nang matay katagpo, tumibok ang dibdib ko, pati ang aking puso sumisigaw dahil sa'yo. Bingo, bingo, pinagtagpo tayo ng tadhana. Bingo, hi po, Ate Rans. Ranas, ngayon pa lang. Bingo, hello po, Ate Rans, hello. Butit hinintay ko ang pagdating mo. Alam kong ako'y para sa'yo. Love, love me do. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Puno ng ligaya ang nadarama. Puso'y lumuluksong na sa tuwa. Sa Diyos salamat ka. Di ka makakapaghanda kapag adhana ang pumili sa'yo. Ang pagkakataon ang lalapit sa iyo. Sa tuwing naiisip ka, sa tuwing nakikita ka, kahit ang paghinga ko tumitigil dahil sa'yo. Crazy for you, hito-hito, kuhang-kuha mo ang puso ko. Hito-hito, puso ko ay ninakaw mo sa pagdating mo. Hito-hito, akala ko ako ay handa na, pero nabigla ako'y nasorpresa. Sa'yo palang mahuhulog na, oh my God.
Ito yung warm-up ko, bingo. Thank you, Sir Gerald. Kaya rin ako kumanta ng ML48 song kasi mag-anniversary sila.
Bingo, bingo, pinagtagpo tayo ng tadhana. Bingo, bingo, hindi pa nararanasan ngayon pa lang. Bingo, bingo, sa'yo tibok ng puso'y nagbago. Butit hinintay ko ang pagdating mo. Alam kong ako'y para sa'yo. Love na me do. Hito-hito, kuhang-kuha mo ang puso ko. Hito-hito, puso ko ay ninakaw mo sa pagdating mo. Hito-hito, akala ko ako ay handa na, pero nabigla ako'y kasurpresa. Sa'yo pa daw mahulog na, oh my God.
Hindi ako makahinga. Ano ba? Warm up pa lang yun. Ay, March. Try natin to. Kasama ako, syempre. Kasama naman ako. Ba, chewy cookie ulit, ate. Ay, sino to? Hello? Ikaw ba yung kanina? Or iba? Baka hindi na ako makapunta bukas. Hi, Rishin. Stephen, hello. Hindi kasali pa rin kami, syempre. Hi, Tered. Miss ka na po namin ni Sister. Aww. Hindi na ako makabalik doon bukas kasi di ko na Tsaka, hindi ako aabot kasi yung tita ko, kailangan niya gamitin yung place. Doon ako nagluluto sa kanila. Pag mga ganun, like benta-benta. So, hindi na ako makakabalik bukas. Kasi 2 days pala dapat eh. Yung parang bazaar doon. Patugtog na lang tayo. Parang ang dry ng lalamunan ko eh. Tsaka inaantok ako. Alam mo, ito. Story time. Wait, magpapatugtog muna ako. Story time. Hi, Rover. Kagabi, di ba, gumawa ako ng chewy cookie kagabi. Wala nyo, ng oras ako natapos. Wala nyo.
There is wonder in most everything I see.
Wala nyo, no? Oras ako natapos talaga.
I got the sun in my eyes.
Ano lang naman, mga 12 a.m. 12, 30 pa ako nakauwi sa bahay. Tapos,
Coming true is
ang
special.
gawin ko sa bahay, naligo na ako kasi
And the reason
pupunta kami doon sa sis, ano pa yun? Sa Dasma pa yun, te.
heaven that I
4 a.m. 5 na ako gumising. Pero nakatulog ako 3 a.m. 3 a.m. ako natulog. Tapos 5 gumising na ako. Tapos umalis na kami. Tapos sila pa ako tulog.
ever since
Hindi talaga ako nakatulog kagabi. Hindi ko alam bakit. 3 a.m. akong tulog. Pero 12 ako natapos. Tapos, 5 a.m. ako gumising. Tapos hindi na ako natulog ulit. Uminom ako ng mga kape at matcha.
it's telling me that
Ay, tingnan nyo, mukha na ako. Mukha akong ganun ngayon eh. Ayan, di ba?
he's and the touch of the breeze.
Astang tagabantay ng mundo. I travel.
There is
There's only one wish on my mind. When the days mukhang Kamusta pala yung boot? Ay! Sold out ako agad.
be just the same.
Sold out ako kanina. Kaya,
All I need will be mine if you are here.
sold out ako. Nakakatakot naman yun. Oo, natakot din ako sa sarili ko na nakita ko sa salamin. Ay!
The only explanation I
What is that?
is
Although na naman,
ever since you
natuwa nga ako na sold out. Sabi nga ni Papa, bumalik daw ako bukas kasi 2 days nga yun. Kaso, hindi na kasi ako aabot. Sabi ko din kasi nung tita ko, baka syempre gabihin ulit. Tapos, may interview daw siya, ay gagamitin niya yung table. So, sabi ko, hindi na lang ako pupunta bukas. Pero pwede pa naman, like, nag-o-open pa ako ng order. Ganun. Thank you, Papa J. Kaya nga eh. Ang daming nagustuhan. Tas tinanong pa sa akin, saan ka, anong store nyo? Yung mga casual doon, yung parang bumibili ng, alam mo na, mga kotse. Kaboses ni Rosmar. Kaboses ko ba? Yes. Hello. Masarap. Ayan. Natikman na ni Daryl. Nag-order yan sa akin eh. Hi, Kate.
It made me smile.
Ikaw kasi seller. Maganda daw yung seller.
Such happy
Hindi talaga pwede outside metro.
so long
Saan ba?
ago. How I wondered where
Bakit kasi ganito tong damit na to? Ganyan ako, oh.
again. Just
Elio? Parang ang layo niyan, boy. Kapag dating sa'yo nun, ganun na siya, oh.
so well.
Alam mo ba yun?
Sha-la-la-la.
Tuyot na.
Whoa, still shine.
Ibig sabihin nun, tuyot na. Pag hello, yes, meron pa. Gagawa ulit ako eh. Meron pa ako kataypi. Siya kataypi pala. Siya, yung mallows, lalagyan ko ng mallows na lang. Kumbaga yung mixture ng pistachio, meron ako. Di naman ako gumawa, pero today lang hindi ako nakagawa. Rizal? Yes, umaabot naman siya ng Rizal.
Yesterday once
Deliver ko. Ikaw na. Ayan o, taga Rizal yan si Daryl. Baka mamay di na umabot dito.
looking back on
Hello, Yoel.
how it was
Baka mamay may kagat na.
by and the good
Hello guys, welcome to my live. Ako po si MNL48 Red. Uy, beat the heat. Hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo ba ang beat? Baka pwede mag-deliver pa SM Fairview. Pili ko, pwede. Ano, Tara? Ano, Tara? Charot. Grabe mo ka na kung ano, guys, oh. Ganun. Kailangan matulog na maaga. Mamaya-maya matutulog mo, oh. Ano yun? Ano yun? Hello? Charot. Momo, itulog mo na yan. Okay, sleeping time. Mukha kang Momo. Ito si Momo. Tama ba ka sa tulog na yun? Kaya nga yun. Oh? SS ka sa... Wow! Wala na naman to. Lagi na lang. What if? Ano mas bagay sa akin? Nakaipit na kalugay. Once more. Ipit. Talaga. Nakaipit. Para natatay. Ay, charot na yun. Try lugay. Wala eh. Kulot-kulot na siya kasi inipitang siya. Walang gulo na ng buhok ko. Iba pa rin talaga yung igop style mo. Namimiss nyo na ba yun? Pwede naman. You are the one who makes me happy. Para si Star Amats mo ngayon. Siyempre, kaano ko yun eh. Kalahi ko yun eh. Pero mas malupit yun. Diba nakita nyo naman live nun? Mas malupit yun. Ito, Star. Wow, thank you, Nori. Kambal ko yun, oo. Bali, may twinning. Nakita nyo na ba twinning namin nun? Ay, gusto nyo makita. Ayun, baka gusto nyo makita. Ay, hindi. May pinakita sa akin si Star eh. It's all true. How could anyone mean more to me than you? Teka lang. Gusto nyo sa SF na lang? Magdadamot ba ang SF? Gusto nyo? Sorry if sometimes I look past you. Isa lang. Yes, SF na lang. Iba to. Di nyo pa to nakikita kasi galing to kay Star. Sinend niya sa akin. Nagulat nga ako may ganun kaming picture eh. Sige. My inspiration, just like the old love song goes. You are one of the few things. Ay, teka lang. Asan na yun? Sige, upload ko sa Drive. Gusto nyo bang pasilip? How could anyone mean more to me than you? Asan na yung picture namin? Ba't nawawala? Bye! Ay, hindi nakita nyo na pala to. Nay! Ito hindi ko to i-upload sa Drive Ito hindi ko to i-upload sa Drive. Nakakatawa. Alam nyo ba bakit? Tingnan mo yung mukha ko para ako natatae dito. Tingnan! Ay, tanyo! Baka natatae doon. Ay, miss, tingnan mo. Nakasimangot ako. Kasi uwing-uwi na ako niyan. So, gano'n. Uwi na ako. Ay, ang ganda ni Star, oh. Tingnan si Star, guys. Ayan, oh. Oh, ganda. Diba? Tingnan mo! Katay! Inabantay yung mata ko! Ang ganda na ako. Bro, kambal ko si Star eh. Eto guys. No, diba? Medyo may hawig kami. Ay, may ganito pa pala kami, oh.
Very carefully, get close now.
Ay, wow. Ay, ito.
It isn't a dream. The only sound that you will hear.
Lagi ko siyang kasama eh.
Your ear, I love
Wow, Boss Tex. May hawig kami, no?
forever.
Ang dami nagsasabi kahawig ko to si Star.
There's a kind of hush all over the world tonight. All over the
Iba kambal ko, te.
people just like us are falling in love.
Ito din gusto ko. Pares kaming blondie. Kasama namin si Ira dito eh. Ayan. Uy, kape.
So listen very
Do not disturb!
Get
On.
now and you will see what I mean.
Please, wag niyo i-screenshot yan, guys. Maawa kayo sa akin.
The only sound that you will hear is when I whisper in your ear. I love you
Please.
forever and ever. There's a kind
Ayoko na nga!
all over the world tonight. All over the world.
Hindi na ako magpapakita ng phone, guys.
Lovers love.
Walang nagpapakita. Please. Please, guys. Please. Baka mag-end ako. Sige. Okay. Okay. Sabi niya yan. Sige. Hindi na ako magpapakita ng phone. Ayoko na mag-share. Wait lang. Kamata. Okay. Ay, easy. Ay, Nori. Stick daw niya. Sige. Thank you so much. Alang oras na ba? Ay, sige. Ano ba gusto niyo gawin natin? Wala lang akong maisip.
Watching seabirds fly, wishing there would be
Ano ko ikwento ko sa inyo?
waiting.
Lala ko ba ikwento? Lahat na kinuwento ko sa mundo.
Something's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you. All of my life
Gawa ka na lang kwento.
Looking back as lovers go walking.
Ayoko na magkwento. Yun lang. Ano pa ba di mo Hindi ko nga alam kasi lagi ako nakalive eh. Parang lahat ng ginawa ko.
And what makes it love?
Pahula ka. Bawal sa amin yun, yung mga hula-hula.
If I found the place, would I
Just the word. Paano yun?
recognize the face?
How you do that? Laro ba yun?
Telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. So many quiet walks to take, so many dreams to wake, and with so much love to make.
Charades na lang. Charades! Anong gagawin natin? Nakakaano yung kanta? Bakit ganyan yung kanta?
We need
Wait lang.
is time, and it's telling me
Puro pang ano.
be you.
Mag-suggest nga kayo ng kanta. Suggest kayo ng kanta.
I've been saying
All the love. Ano?
songs and lullabies,
All the love.
and there's so much.
Ito. Okay. Nasa live ng TikTok mismo. Ay, gusto ko yan, Jay Sean. First one.
I'm not looking for someone to talk to.
Thank you for reposting.
Friends,
Drawing game para mahasa brain cells namin. Ay, sige.
more than
Drawing na lang tayo. Yun na lang gagawin ko.
I live my dreams, but it's not all they say. Still say. Still say.
Ah.
Someone who really sees me. Don't wanna wake up
Hello?
alone anymore.
Ay, coach.
Watching my door. All I need is to know it's for sure.
Ano yan?
I'll give all the love in the world. I often wonder if love is an illusion. Just to get through
Ay, hirap sila, oh.
loneliest days. I can't really say
Oo, galing. Tissue yan, guys. Tissue. Kasi, pinupunasan nga niya yung ilong ko. Issue! Next.
I'm missing something real. I need someone who really sees me. Don't wanna wake up alone anymore. Still believing you're
Ay!
watching my door. All I need is to know it's for sure that I'll give all the love in the world.
Ay, hirap to. Walang tumatama. Wala po.
Last for a lifetime.
Mali lahat. Ano pa ba? Ito pa ba? Ayan. Kompleto tayo. UFO! Oh, yan. May tumama na. Eh, si Sam Sam.
alone anymore. Still believing you walk through my door. You wish for me and I love
Eto.
that I'll give all the love in the world. Make up my love, nothing more love.
Toothpaste, bro. Kasi nilagay niya sa ipe ng toothpaste. Oh.
Don't be
Ito. Ang galing! Toot! Toot! Eh, gumapa, Jay! Ano po ba song eh? Jason daw, Jason.
Nicki Minaj.
Wait lang, ayoko tong word na to. Ayoko niyan.
Do you know what they say? Life ain't always easy, and every day we're survivors. So forget the day. It's all about tonight. Act a fool and start a rhyme. Right, be a rebel. Till we can't stand. We keep it rocking till 6 a.m. New York to London over to Japan. Turn it up, mash it up. We're gonna party like it's the end of the world. Party like
Hirap, no?
you know that it doesn't matter as long as we got each other. Turn it up, mash it up. It ain't the end of the world. We're gonna live like it's the end of the world. Gonna party like turn it up, mash it up. It ain't the end of the world.
Similes, metaphors, and we pop pills. Flow inundated with the dog pills. Work hard, now we know how to top bills. In the middle of the street doing cartwheels. Lot of them try to do it, but it's not real. Wasn't a rapper, then I could've got a pop tail. White curls and the hot pink Hot Wheels. Lot of bottles and a lot of fruity cocktails. Taste of our lives. Wink, it goes by. So we'll just get it with no edits and anything goes so. No time for closed minds. And free mind easy. And let's just get it. Young money cash.
Ah, hirap to!
The world ends tonight.
Oh! Oh! Ganyan, oh. Tapos, napakahirap. Hindi maula-ulaan ng mga taong ito. It's a trap. It's a T. It's a O. An O. It's M. Tomato. Kasi nasa gitna siya, kaya ganun. Tapos burger. Eh, wala na. Late ka na, boy. Ito.
They say anymore, and it's never too late to start living. So let's start it with right here and right now. Party like it's the end of the world. We're gonna party like it's 2012. You know that it doesn't matter as long as we got each other. Turn it up, mash it up. The end of the world.
Ano to, guys? You need to interpret this. This is an interpretation. This is an interpretation. Ayun!
The world keeps spinning. The world keeps spinning around.
Interpret this for you. You need to interpret this. Maganda yung sabihin ka.
You ought to know.
The next night you let it show. Wait lang. Ibayin natin shape.
I wanna see how you lose control. So leave it behind, 'cause we have a night to get away. So come on and fly with me as we make
Ay, ito yun na.
escape. So baby, don't worry, you are my only. You won't be lonely, even if the sky is falling.
Ay, hirap, no?
You'll be
Sabi sa inyo, pahirapan to.
baby, are you down, 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 down,
Oh, 10 seconds kakanta ako, ah.
down, 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 down,
Hirap, no?
even if the sky
Nachos!
is falling down.
Diba? Di nyo maulaan. Ito yung high class
Next
charades.
I'll take you away, hey. Turn this place into our private getaway. So leave it behind, 'cause we haven't
Candle!
getaway.
Oh, galing. Bass! Kasi ano yun eh, yung sunflower sa Plants vs. Zombies na sumasayaw. There's a zombie on your lawn.
You are my only. You won't be lonely.
Oh, di ba? Ang hirap! Hindi niyo maulaan yan talaga siya.
Baby, are you down, down,
Oh, new and improved.
baby,
Oh, mahirap
you
to.
down, 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 you down, even if the sky is falling down. She gets down low for me, down like her temperature. Cause to me she's 0 degrees, she cold over freeze. Got that girl from overseas, now she's my Miss America. Can I be her soldier, please?
Uy, malapit na.
Love, don't it look like baby Cupid sending arrows from above? Don't you ever leave the side of me.
Ang galing. Ang galing naman ni Samsam. Ah. Ito, mahirap to.
You won't be lonely, even if the sky is falling down. You'll be my only, no need to worry. Baby, are you down, 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 down?
Ayoko na.
Down, down, down. Baby,
Ano to? Wala nyo.
down, down. The sky is falling, even if the sky is falling down.
Sore eyes.
And the sky is falling down.
Hirap na. Ay. I'ma tell you one time. Wala nakakahula.
When I met you, and my heart knock, knock. Having butterflies in my stomach won't stop. And even though
Kanina may muntik na makahula kanina eh.
keep climbing to the mountaintop.
Hirap, no? Ito yung klase ng charades na dapat para sa inyo dahil ito ay napakahirap.
My breath is your breath.
Ah! Ang galing! Banana! Si Minion, sinasabi niya banana.
I'ma tell you one time. I'ma tell you one time.
Banana kasi, Minions yun.
Be a one. You be my number one girl.
Ang galing naman na nakahula.
I'ma tell you
Oo.
one time.
Ito. Ito mahirap.
You look so deep,
Si Papa J nanalo.
troubles be. You by my side, them troubles, them not trouble me. Many have called, but the chosen is you. Whatever you want, shawty, I give it to you. Your world, your world. And my fight is your fight. And my breath,
Ay, hindi.
breath. Your world, and I'm my one life for sure. Let me tell you one time. I'ma tell her one time. Give you everything you need, down to my last dime. She makes me happy. I know where I'll be, right by your side, 'cause she is the one. And girl, you're my one love, my one heart, my one life, my shine. I'll tell you one time, girl, I love you, I'll tell you one time, girl, I love you, I love you. Be the one, yeah, you be my number one girl. Yes, I love you. I'll tell you one time, I'll tell you one time.
Watch. Watch kasi pinanonood ko kayo. Hey! Pag tumuro ko sa risk, edi alam nyo agad yung sagot. Kailangan nga to, this is the level difficulty, hardest difficulty for you. If I tell you this, you will know immediately and it's an easy game. I want this game to be the hardest. Di ba? Di nyo ako naiintindihan? Oh, this is the most hardest game ever. Sabay natin yung ano.
There were the times I didn't get it, but you kept me alive. I didn't know I didn't show up sometimes on Sunday mornings, and I miss you. But I'm glad we talked through all them grown folk things separation brings. You never let me know it, you never let it show, because you love me and obviously there's so much more if you were with me today, face to face. Never knew I could hurt like this, and every day life goes on like you wish you could talk to for a while, wish you could try not to cry as time goes by. And it's true that you reached a better place, still I give the world to see your face, and right here next to you, it's like you got too soon.
Ay, water. Gusto nyo ata Tyla eh, para water. Ito madali lang. Paladaliin ko naman ang buhay nyo.
Got a chance to see how good I've done. You never got to see me back at number one. I wish that you were here to celebrate together. I wish that we could spend the holidays together. I remember when you used to tuck me in at night. Every time that you gave me
Oh, tama na siya.
strong and make
Jessie Wolf, panalo ka.
it's so hard to accept the fact you're gone forever. I never knew I could hurt like this, and every day life goes on. I wish you could talk to for a while, wish you could try not to cry as time goes by. And it's true that you reached a better place, still I give the world to see your face, and right here next to you, it's like you gone too soon. Not the hardest thing to do, say bye, 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 bye. The hardest thing to say bye, 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 bye. This is for my people who just lost somebody. Your best friend, your baby.
Hirap, no?
Put your hand there high. You won't ever say.
This is called. I-explain ko sa inyo. Oy! Ay! Palapit na!
This is for my people who lost their grandmothers.
Okay, I will explain this game to you. This is the item. Now you put the item in the soup. Well, you cook the soup
and then you eat it. Ano yung item na kinuk ko?
Ay, riddles tayo, riddles.
The item.
Noodles, mukha ba itong noodles?
This is maasim ah. Tapos, ganyan yung itsura niya. Tapos ilalagay mo sa sabaw.
Mukha bang pork yan?
Maasim yan. This is called vegetable.
O, sinabi ko na yung sagot, ah.
Riddles tayo, riddles. Ito. This item is connection. Vegetable yung sagot. Sinabi ko na. Etong isa, ay, galing ah, wifi, alam agad ah. Oh. Next, riddle.
Riddle!
Ito, pahulaan. Pinagpapasapasahan. Dumadami, kumukonte.
It's not that I don't wanna stay, but every time
Ano yun?
you close, I'm above.
Oh, money! Money. Tama.
Everything that
Ano to?
I say, 'cause it sounds
Minsan kumakapit to sa damit.
but if you really want me, move slow. There's things I
Minsan mabaho
have
to.
to know. Sometimes I run,
Minsan kulay gray.
sometimes I'm scared of you.
Oh, di ba mahirap?
All I really is to hold you tight.
Ano siya, hindi siya maganda. Hindi siya good. Negative to negative. Ayaw natin to, ayaw natin. Pag lumalabas tayo ng bahay, ayaw natin. Sa kapag nasa biyahe tayo, ayaw natin yan. Oh, yan, smoke. Basa mo sa inyo eh. Ito, ano to? Ayoko niyan. Mahirap. Ito. Rights! Oh, ano yun? Planyo. Rights!
Sometimes I
Mahirap to. Oh, galing bumper yun, bumper. Ang galing ni Jessie Wall pa.
be with you day and night. All I really
Ito.
is to hold you tight, treat you right, be with you day and night.
Ay, this is Jackie. Nan.
This time, just hang around.
Ay, this is Jackie. Knife. Very good. Ay, congrats, Marge. Ito.
The way that I trust in you.
Balloon? Hindi, ano to?
Sometimes I
This is a location. This is location for you.
sometimes I'm scared of you. All I really want is to hold you tight, hold you tight.
Oh, very good.
Day and
Gamer Zone. Hospital po yun, hospital.
sometimes I'm scared of you. All I really want is to hold you tight,
Ito madali lang, te.
treat you right, I'll be with you day and night. All I really want is to hold you tight,
Very good. Toothbrush type brush.
day
Ito.
and night. Sometimes I run, sometimes I'm scared of you. All I really want is to
Very good. Mannequin challenge.
Ito.
I'm staring out of my window and the rain is pouring down. When you left,
Very good. Werewolf.
I'm not gonna drown. I don't need no shoulder. I'm gonna be a soldier. I just wanna
Ito.
feel something I
Clue.
don't understand.
Kanta ni Charis.
Running right through the rain. I'm just gonna dance right through the pain. I just wanna feel that
Up. Malapit na. May kulang.
heart speak louder than my head. Louder than my head.
Ay. Plural kasi with S. Beat the hit. Oh. Ba? Tama. Plural. Scam. Ay. Oh, next game. Lightning Q&A. What was your top highlight from last year? Highlight? Ayoko niyan, ba't ako magsasagot? Kayo magsagot niyan. What are the ways you express your kindness to others? Ito, mabait naman ako, di ba? Hindi man ako masama eh. Wala na ako. Bakit puro ako tinatanong mo? Dapat ang viewers ang tanongin mo, hindi ako. Okay, do you have a favorite family memory? What is your favorite family memory? Oh, I ask you guys. My favorite family memory is
letting go. Yeah, it feels so good, so right.
nung ano,
All in all is that
right now, siguro yung graduation ng kapatid ko.
heartbeat, heart speak louder than my
Mahjong time. Japan trip. Wala kasi kaming trip eh. So yun, parang sa akin graduation. But
I'm just gonna run.
what do you do to overcome what is this kind of questions? Very, very basic questions. I don't like this game. Wait. Wala na bang ano? Ibang games? Ano tong playbook? True or false? Ay, gusto ko to. Wait. Ay, ito. Paano to? O ngayon, anong gagawin ko dito? True or false? True or false? Never have I ever.
What time is it where you are?
What?
I miss you more than anything.
I'm back at home. You feel so far.
What are you going to ask me? Ay, pindutin pala. Lied to a boss.
Upside down.
What do you mean?
Don't even wanna be
I don't have a boss, me. Boss baby lang.
time zones make
True. Ay! Very good. True.
you say
True. Okay, game. Next.
out of my head alone in this bed. I wake up to the sun.
Let's go, guys. True or false? True or false? Answer the truth. Answer the false. Answer the truth. Palakasan ng palakasan ng master dito. Palakasan. True or false?
So jet lag. What time is it where you are? 5 more days and I'll be home. I keep going. I can't. Thought of you.
Naglalaban sila. False.
Zones making
Why? False ang pinalalo nyo.
you say good morning.
Doubt you.
It's midnight. Going out of bed alone in this bed. I wake up to the
Ay, may ganito.
sun, driving me mad.
Nakaloka.
Bed in my
Ano pang games dito? Natutawa ako dun na. Ay, ganun. Loko to Hello. Playbook tayo, playbook. Back. Hanap tayo bang games? Show your talents. Ay! Ano to, teka? Ano to? Last to look. Ay, ito. Ay, ayoko ng smartness. Malalaman niyo yung smartness level ko eh. Teka.
Midnight, going out. I wake up to your sunset, and it's driving me mad. I miss when you say good morning, but it's been
Ano tong last to lose? Kailangan co-host. Ay, bawal ako makipag-co-host eh. Ay, smart. Ay, sige na nga, smart test na. Malalaman nyo na yung smartness level ko. Hi, Suy. Kaloka kayo Bawasan nyo yung viewers. Gusto ko 5 lang. Okay. View. Okay, go. Ano to? May guest? Bakit may guest? Bakit never have I ever crush?
this one right here.
Bro, ayoko niyan. Ibay na natin games. Hanap ako ng games dito. I've been thinking. Do it now. Ano to? Speak in rap style. Ayoko nito! Ayoko niyan. Teka. Yung mga easy boy lang. Pinahirapan ako eh. Ano to?
Baby, let's take this time. Let's make you memories. You remember.
Ano to?
All of the times we remember.
Oh! Ano ba to? Wala bang games?
All of the times we
Ito.
back. Bring it back.
Bu...
Bring it back.
Ayun, gusto ko to.
Let's bring it
Pink?
back. Let's bring it back.
Uy, ito.
Yo, Jay, sing to these ladies. So long since you've been
What?
missing. It's good to see you again. How you doing? And how are we? Don't let this happen again.
Cut.
To say, don't waste
Italop.
the day. Just you and me tonight. Everything'll be okay. If it's alright
Tapa.
with you.
Ibang game.
Baby, let's take this time. Let's make you memories.
Oh.
Remember.
Ay, ano to? What? What's this, bro? What's that?
Bring back to the time when you and me had just begun. When I was still your number one. Well, it might
What?
be girl, but it can't be done. I got this feeling, fire blazing, and it hot just like the sun. Know you feel it too, my God, just breathe up, man, the good vibes run. Can't take a sip of the champagne, take a little trip down my lane, my girl. Wilding out every night, I will feel alright. I can tell you this, girl, that's my world. Not change, I'm not rearrange.
Hello.
Girl, I'ma tell you this straight.
Wala na akong makitang games. Gusto ko ng games.
That's what I heard. That's what I heard. That's what I heard. Well,
There's no more games here. I cannot see the game. Wait, I'm looking for the games. Ano kaya? Wala, overlay lang siya. Co-host nga pala.
Bring it back. Let's bring it back.
Ask me anything.
Let's bring it back. Let's bring it back.
What's your fun toxic trait in dating? Barbie and Ken, Shrek and Fiona, or Kermit and Mrs. Piggy? Shrek and Fiona. Shrek and Fiona. Most cringe Valentine moments. What Valentine are you talking about? DM me your celebrity crush. What's your line? I don't have a celebrity crush. Best emoji combo for... Puro pang relasyon naman to. What? Best emoji combo for relationship goals. Relationship goals. This is my goal. Hey! Yan. Ask me anything na naman. Ayun lang, 4 lang. That is like, ano. Yes. Wala na. Ubus na yung games natin. Ano ba to? Look. Ayoko na. Wala nang maayos na games. Okay na yon. Uy! Natapos ko na lahat ng games. May katanungan pa ba kayo?
So many pretty faces. So you, now all I see is you. I'm coming for you, no. Don't need these other pretty faces like I need you. And when you're mine in this world, there's gonna be one less lonely girl. I'm coming for you, one less lonely girl. I'm coming for you, one less lonely girl. I'm coming for you, one less lonely girl.
Ano tanong? What is your question? Hi, Porel. Ginamit ko yung bag mo.
I can fix up your broken heart. I can give you a brand new start. I can make you believe. Yeah, just wanna set
Lagyan ko ng ganito.
free to fall.
Thank you.
Fall in love with me.
Oh, yes.
Know that I got the key. I'll take her and leave the world with one less lonely, one less
Anong tanong?
lonely girl. One less lonely, one less. It's gonna be one less lonely, one less lonely girl. One less lonely girl. I'm coming for you, one less lonely girl.
Why? Hi, JSK.
Lonely girl. I'm coming for you, one less lonely girl.
Paano ko tatanggalin? Hindi ko alam paano eh. Paano ito tatanggalin kaya? Thank you, JSK. Ay, talaga? Pwede ito mapalitan ng strap. Ang cute, no? Ikay sa akin ni Rel to eh. Mahilig ako sa mga ganyan. Pero gusto ko yan. Baliw, okay lang. Thank you, Red. Ayan o. Nilagyan ko na lang siya ng red na heart. Hello, C. Hi, C. Nung sulong. Ginamit ko rin yan nung nung lumabas kami nila Madge. Kung nakita nyo. Yung dati pa. Kamusta ako? Nagbenta ako kanina ng Chewy Kitty. Dati, oo, nanonood ako. Nanonood ako nung dati. Ano ba tatanong mo dapat? Wala akong pake, basta ikaw. Wow! I don't care about anyone but you in English. Save ko ng pictures na animated. Para saan? Favorite food? Sinasabi ng iba, masarap daw dun fewa. Pero ako, ako ang trip ko dun yung limutan ko na. Pinakain ko dun. Lagi kasi ako naka-iced tea. Hindi ako mahilig kumain. Iced tea yung iniinom ko dun. Parang laging drinks lang. Oo. Sa kasi ako nag-aral sa PUP. Sa Lagud, nagkumain ako. Pero hindi lagi. Kasi sa Hasmin ako Hasmin building. Pumunta lang kami sa main kapag may events. Happy Monday. Mayaman PUP nag-aaral. Uy, baliw. Free doon. Free, tuition. Maganda nga yun kasi parang wala kang gastos sa tuition. Ganda dun. Pero nung meron, alam ko, parang wala pala. Scholar ng bayan. Actually, nilalakad ko lang dati papuntang school or nagsa-sidecar ako kasi pag sobrang init. Hindi kasi walking distance masyado yung bahay ko to school. Medyo mga 10-minute walk siya. Minute. Yeah, scholar ng bayan. Nakasakay na ako sa ferry nun, yung sa may Pasig River. Nakasakay na ako. Kasi 20 pesos lang dati. Yung sakay, minsan nga free pa Sumasakay ako doon kasi minsan dati pag pumupunta akong BGC, pwede ka sumakay doon. Papuntang Guadalupe ba yun? Basta free, oo. Nakasakay na ako doon. Hindi mainit yung room namin kasi sa Hasmin ako Sa tourism kasi course ko. So may aircon yung room namin. Sa Guada. Di ba Guadalupe yung baba nung ferry. Yes. Yun yung parang na may aircon sa pag-tourism. Alam ko tourism, HRM, tsaka TRM ba yun? Tama ba? Thank you, Boy Beats. Pero pa rin kami. Siyempre, scholar kami. Pero siyempre, sa course kasi namin. Iba kasi yung building namin Pero hindi naman ako masyadong face-to-face kami kasi hybrid kami nun madalang din kami magpumasok sa school. Lumabas ba? Lumalabas pala yun. Picture ko na nag-training ako as flight attendant Yun kasi OJT ko. Diba? Tas red din. Kaya gusto ko yung picture na yun. Naka-red ako So when I'm lost for words, every time I disappoint you, it's just cause I can't believe that you're so beautiful. Stuck like a statue, don't wanna lose you. Stuck like a statue. Pakis kung talaga. Kulit ka, 4 nights Nabasa ko tuloy. Ang saya naman ng LinkedIn ko, kulang na lang ihampas sa pader. Tayo nyo. Gusto ko magkalaman pa yung LinkedIn ko. Mga experience. Thank you. Sa top. Parang inaantok na ako. Babangkitin ko na kayo. Dami palang followers, Papa J. 19. Uy, unang-una ka nga, Boy Beats, Papa J, Marge, Virgo, Artis, Lane vs. The World, Jesse Wolf, Sam, Gerald, Mew, Gamerzone, Pawi, Dires, Ramses, Cinnamon, Toast, JSK, Reda, Corn Knights, Dan, Humbly, Edmund, Lux, Highsway, Rover, Better Days, Jamin, Judy Ann, Arya, Paula, haba nun Karen, Switch, JD Vera, May Rosero, Unknown, Charlene Castillo, Zero, May Katsukichi, Denril, lagi ito nanonood sa akin na May Katsukichi, Francis Rout, The Jazz, and Banana.
Every single day of my life.
Talaga, ilan ba followers ni March? Ang dami din nga, 1-3. San? Kami 7. Oh. Bakit ano yun?
No explanation gets off the equation.
Ano nakita mo kanina?
More than I love myself. I'm like a
Ano nakita mo kanina?
staring right at you, girl. Tricks on this, how you take me back each and every time I love the last you.
Binago mo buhay ni Pawi.
So when I'm lost for words,
Thank you guys. So mag-end na rin ako kasi papahinga na ako. Thank you guys.
thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Nidires, thank you so much. And MN Loves. Thank you guys sa lahat na nag-support sa akin. Thank you po. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Oh,